So it's a new month, and watch Fifth Avenue exclusively on QFlix. If you don't have a ticket, you can still get your ticket. Use the link shown below. Now, hope is such an important virtue. It's one of those virtues that the Bible says will live beyond this time. Love, faith, and hope. Today's Rhapsody Realities pastor talks about the unique virtue of hope and gives us the examples of the hope of Jesus. As we study the scriptures, you get to see that you are never hopeless. You can actually begin to imitate Christ's hope. What are you going through today? There's hope for you. Read today's article, and I want you to also help me help others get to know God more through Rhapsody Realities. Click on the link. Have a great day. God bless you.